In the last lecture, I showed you how to use console log to do some debugging. Now make sure to also actively debug JS remotely here if you're running two simulators as I do, so that really both are connected. And now I want to show you something else. In your code, you can also set breakpoints. So in this debugging tool, I said the Elements tab would not be helpful as most other tabs, but the Sources tab is helpful. There you can go into your debugger worker.js part here. Let me just increase this. Access localhost. There you should see your project folder. And you can go into source into any of your React files, into any of your JavaScript files. So here I'll go into the app.js file. And then you can add a breakpoint here before adding the place, for example. Now I added a breakpoint. Now let me go back to the simulator and let me enter Munich and hit add. Now you see it's stuck, it's not adding it. The reason is it's paused here. And now we can use the normal debugging capabilities we always had here. We can inspect the value of place name, it's Munich, and we can walk through our code step by step or whatever we want to do, whatever you normally do in your JavaScript debugger. So that's extremely useful, of course. This allows you to really dive into your code and find mistakes you might have. And whilst console log is nice for some quick and easy state output debugging, this is the best way to really dive into your code and find that error that's blocking you. So let me now resume execution, and you see the place is now added. We can interact with it as always, but now you know how to set breakpoints. And that is a huge feature that really helps you and your productivity.